Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about threatened species and extinction of species. Our planet now faces a global extinction crisis never witnessed by humankind. Scientists predict that more than 1 million species are on track for extinction in the coming decades. Each time a species goes extinct, the world around us unravels a bit. The consequences are profound, not just in those places and for those species, but for all of us. What does threatened mean? Threatened species are the dwindling species living under the persistent threat, risk, or danger of total extermination if not properly protected. To be more simple, they are the species most likely to become extinct in the near future under the existing conditions. The Species Survival Commission, International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources, has recognized 5 categories of threatened species based on the relative degree of threat to their survival. They are critical species, endangered species, vulnerable species, rare species, and indeterminate species. The critically endangered species is one which has been categorized by the Iucn as facing a very high risk of extinction in the wild. These are the critically endangered species all around the world. Extinction of species. Species extinction is the total and irreversible extermination or disappearance of species from the face of earth. So, in the strict sense, extinct species are those species with no living representatives anywhere in the world. There is another group of species which are extinct in the wild. Their surviving members are not present in their natural homes but are found only in captivity in museums or are exclusively under domestication or cultivation. അതായത് ഇപ്പോൾ മ്യൂസിയത്തിൽ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് ഈ പറഞ്ഞ പോലെ സൂവിലൊക്കെ അത്രയും കെയർ കൊടുത്തിട്ട് നമ്മൾ കൊണ്ട് നടക്കുന്ന മീൻസ് എപ്പോൾ വേണമെങ്കിലും എക്സ്റ്റിങ്ക്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട് പോകാനായിട്ടുള്ള സ്പീഷീസിനെ നമ്മൾ എന്താ പറയുക അവരെ സെക്യൂർ ചെയ്ത് വെച്ചിരിക്കുന്നതാണ് ഈ പറഞ്ഞ എക്സ്റ്റിങ്ക്റ്റ് ഇൻ ദ വൈൽഡ്. It is true that not all extinctions are accidental chance events and some are determined exclusively by irreversible changes. Such extinctions are called deterministic extinctions. They can be or anthropogenic. Deterministic extinction occurs mostly due to loss of habitat, removal of some essential resources from the environment, introduction of some lethal substances or harmful organisms into the environment, etc. 3 types of species extinction can be recognized, namely natural extinction, mass extinction, and anthropogenic extinction. What is meant by natural extinction? This is the gradual evolutionary or successional elimination of the species by nature. Nature will eliminate those species which are unfit or unsuccessful in a changing environment or in the struggle for extinction. Next one is mass extinction. This is the sudden large scale or massive disappearance of large groups of many prominent species after many million years of successful and whispered existence. The last one is Anthropogenic extinction. This is the extinction of species occurring in a short period of time due to human activities. It may result in the depletion of biodiversity, upsetting the balance of nature. Next, Red Data Book and Red List of Iucn. What is Red Data Book? It is a book published from Switzerland by the International Union for the Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. It is a comprehensive inventory or document of the details about the extinction risk and survival status of the threatened animals and plants all over the world. That is called Red Data Book. Red List of Iucn. What is meant by Red List of Iucn? The list of extinct, near threatened and threatened species of organisms recorded in the Red Data Book is called Red List of Organisms. Red List is not simply a list or a catalogue of threatened species, but it's rather a comprehensive narration of almost all aspects of the threatened species. It provides information about the locality of the threatened species, the magnitude of the threat they face, the ecological requirements they demand, and the conservation strategies to be adopted to cover their extinction. Red list categories are നമ്മൾ നേരത്തെ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു extinct in the wild. These are the categories of the IUCN in red list. Extinct in the wild, critically endangered, vulnerable, near threatened, least concern, data division, not evaluated. No population is everlasting. Due to natural catastrophes, climatic changes, succession, and a host of other reasons, every population ultimately dooms to extinction. At present, anthropogenic extinction of species occurs nearly 1,000 times faster than the natural rate of extinction. Also, it occurs far more rapidly than the evolution of new species. Thank you.